Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync MOJO Dialer with KW Command. So you can throw a bunch of prospects and leads into MOJO, dial through them, and as those leads get qualified, you can have them moved into KW Command seamlessly. It's super easy to set this up. Let me show you how. The first thing you're going to do is go to apination.com. You click Get Started. You're going to sign in or sign up for an API Nation account. Once you finish that process, you'll then see a bunch of apps here that you can automate using API Nation. I'm going to scroll down until I get to KW Command. There it is right there. So I'm click on that. And then it's going to show me all the apps I can sync with KW Command, including MOJO Dialer. So I'm going to scroll down to M for MOJO. There it is right here. Click on that. And you can see we can sync contacts from MOJO into KW Command. So that's what I'm going to set up. I'm going to automate that situation. Activate that sync. The first step is to go ahead and sign into MOJO. So I'm going to hit connect. Then I just have to sign in using my MOJO sign in. Once you've made the MOJO connection, now you're going to connect KW Command. Similar thing. You're just going to hit connect and sign into your KW Command account. Make sure you choose the KW Command account you want these leads to get synced into. So if it's a Rainmaker account, make sure you choose that Rainmaker account. If it's an individual account, make sure you choose the individual account. Then you have these options here. You can filter exactly who's coming over from MOJO based on the group. So if you only want to send over people who are in like warm leads or hot leads, you could do that. As they're coming over into KW Command, you can have them marked as leads, and you can decide if you want it to happen when the contact is updated, created, both, or don't mark them as leads. Totally up to you. I'm going to say when it's updated. And then you can create a source here. So I'm going to say it's from MOJO. Finally, you can decide if you want to overwrite the information in KW Command with that MOJO information. I'm going to say no, let's not overwrite it. I'll hit confirm. It's going to create my sync. The sync is not yet active though. So here's the sync. Let's just double check a couple things here. So you can see all this information coming over from MOJO to KW Command is exactly how we had it on the last screen. You can also set up another filter here, a more advanced filter, basically looking at what's coming over from MOJO. So maybe I only want people who have something in the notes that says KW. I could do that. So then it's only going to send over people who I put the word KW, the letters KW, in the priority note. For the most part, for this MOJO sync, I'm going to show you in a minute, these filters, you probably don't need them. Finally, in the mapping, this is where you decide where exactly the things from MOJO, the fields from MOJO, like primary email, are going in KW. So phone's going here, first name, last name, middle name. If there's anything else you want to add, I'm going to go ahead and put MOJO here for the source. Tags, maybe I want to tag it as a MOJO lead. I could do that. Trigger off some smart campaigns that way. This all looks good. I'm going to go to the top and activate the sync. So I was saying the filters, you could definitely set those filters up, but you probably don't need to because of the way the MOJO sync is set up with the MOJO team. So now that this sync is running, how it works is when you're in MOJO, I'm going to go over here to data and dialer, and then I'm going to be working my list. So I'm calling through, I get to Dawn Griffin. Let's say I got Dawn. This looks good. I've qualified her and I want to get her into KW Command. All I have to do is go over here to actions and hit send to API Nation. So that is going to tell it to sync this contact into KW Command. And it's going to be synced to her record in KW Command from now on. So if I change her phone number, if I type a note here, it's going to sync that over to KW Command. And you're going to do that for leads as you qualify them. Just go over to actions, click send to API Nation. That'll get them into KW Command seamlessly. So that's it. That's how you set up the MOJO Dialer to KW Command sync. Get those contacts and leads right into KW Command, put them on smart plans, start following up and pushing those leads to create deals. If you need any help setting up this sync, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation. We are connecting the world's applications.